I'm Edie. I'm production designer on Galwad. We are in a party barn in Blaenau Ffestiniog. This is the disco ball that we've made out of polystyrene and mirror offcuts and scavenged stuff. Sustainability has been like a huge part of this for me. We're not wasting anything. I haven't bought any new plastic at all. Even cable ties are scavenged. What's been different on this project is obviously the live stream element. Sky Arts collaboration, TV series, production, on set, live. It's been a learning curve for loads of us, but it's also been really pleasantly fun and exciting. Yeah, I think merging the two worlds of theatre and film is sort of exciting and new, and it has worked, yeah.